Most people are stuck at level 0, learning skills the hard way, spending weeks still struggling with the basics. They upload sources to their AI tool or NotebookLM, create a summary and feel productive, but they are not. They just built a digital filing cabinet. The top 1% know that real mastery isn't about summarizing everything, it's about ignoring the 80% which doesn't matter and mastering the 20% which gets you ahead of others. I've processed millions of words from thousands of sources using NotebookLM. Combining the 80-20 method with NotebookLM helped me learn at speeds I didn't think was humanly possible, to the point it almost feels like cheating. So in this video, I'm going to show you my exact 4-level velocity learning system to master the 20% that matters in 1 hour, not 1 week, using Google's NotebookLM. At level 0, most people don't know where to start when learning a new skill, or they find a random YouTube video, course or a book and start reading without a plan. The top learners, on the other hand, know that you need multiple high quality sources to learn deeply and fast. Let's say you want to learn how to build custom AI chatbots which you can sell. Go to Google's NotebookLM, it's free. All you need is your Google account. Create a notebook and click deep research. And then let's type in how to build custom AI chatbots, find high quality guides, PDFs, YouTube videos, books, articles, and then add a negative prompt. Do not include AI agents or another topic. NotebookLM goes out, finds the best sources and brings them into your notebook. You can then review them and click import, and now they're part of your notebook. Plus, if you already have a book or a PDF or transcription or lecture notes, you can upload them directly into NotebookLM. It will analyze it alongside the sources it found online. But do not start reading it, because that's where level 2 comes in. If you dive in now, you'll drown in details. Instead, we are going to focus on the 20% which matters. Now you might be asking, Asan, why focus on just 20%? Isn't that lazy? Actually, it's a law of nature. It comes from Vilfredo Pareto, an Italian economist who discovered that 80% of the land in Italy was owned by 20% of the people. He found this pattern everywhere. 20% of customers provide 80% of revenue. 20% of software bug cause 80% of crashes. And in learning, 20% of the concepts give you 80% of the mastery. Most people miss this and they try to learn everything, becoming average. So back to NotebookLM. First, let's see the overall landscape. Click on Mind Map. NotebookLM connects every idea in your sources into a web. You can immediately see the main clusters. This is your 360 view of the topic. Now, we need a briefing doc, but don't just click the default option. You go in reports, click the edit option, and then use the prompt. Generate the 20% which will give 80% of the results, similar to the Pareto principle 80-20 method. Go in study guide and generate it using the same prompt. NotebookLM generates a laser-focused briefing document giving you overview of key insights and quotes stripped of fluff, and an 80-20 study guide with targeted glossary and potential essay questions, testing only vital concepts. So now you have the structure that top learners spend weeks just to figure out, removing confusion and giving you clarity on what you need to focus on. So in summary, when learning a new subject, generate the mind map to see the big picture, then run the 80-20 prompt to get your briefing doc and study guide. That will tell you what matters, and that is your 20% which matters most. Level 3 NotebookLM will teach it to you in less than 1 hour, not weeks. First, go to the video overview feature, but don't generate a generic overview. Use this prompt. Create a video overview that delivers the knowledge using the 80-20 rule Pareto principle. Include core concepts, essential tools, common mistakes, and the fastest path to building a sellable chatbot. Hit generate. NotebookLM creates an 8-minute video that synthesizes everything from your sources and focuses only on what matters.
What is that 20%? What's the stuff that will actually drive 80% of your results?
Once you've watched the video, you've compressed a month of reading into 8 minutes. But not all things make sense by just watching an 8-minute video. I wish that was possible, but we're not there yet. So, what if you could, just like real life, speak to a coach? You might be surprised, but NotebookLM actually lets you speak with a coach which knows your material. To do this, generate the audio using the same 80-20 prompt and then hit the interactive mode and start asking questions. As a test, I'm going to ask it, what is the best platform to build chatbots for beginners?
That is a fantastic question.
And it is timely because that is literally the next thing on our list.
Absolutely. We were just about to dive into the tools.
Okay, let's unpack this for you right now then.
For a beginner, speed and simplicity matter most.
Now, I got a decent answer, but if you don't like it, you can go back and forth until the whole topic makes sense to you while sitting on your sofa sipping coffee. But here is the missing piece. Structure. Listing is great, but you need to see the key points to remember them. Click the edit option on slide deck and use the prompt. Create a visual study guide of the core concepts using the 80-20 method. NotebookLM instantly creates a set of slides. You now have a visual cheat sheet you can review in setting, but that's not all. Let's say you need to compare AI chatbot tools, pricing features, pros and cons. Click edit on data table icon and give it the prompt. Extract all chatbot builder platforms, their features, pros and cons, and difficulty levels into a table. NotebookLM instantly extracts the data into a clean comparison table, saving you hours of manual effort detailing each platform and its features. So in short, watch the video for this story, ask the audio coach for clarity, use slides to understand the structure, and data tables for specs. You just went through the 20% better and faster than 99% of people. Now, level 3 gives you mastery today, but without level 4, you'll be a beginner again by next week. The thing is, your brain is designed to forget. It deletes 50% of new information within an hour to save energy. Unless you signal that information is vital, it gets trashed. But here is how you can fix it. Go to your NotebookLM, scroll down and click the edit option on flashcards and enter this prompt. Focus on the 20% of AI chatbot knowledge using the Pareto principle. Include key concepts, tools, and common mistakes. Use the same prompt and generate the quiz. Now you have the tools to test your knowledge, but don't use them immediately. Wait it out. Review them in 24 hours, then again in 3 days, then a week, and then a month. This technique is called spaced repetition. It forces your brain to recall information just as it's about to fade, which strengthens the neural pathways to the point that it becomes hard to forget. So you now have a velocity learning system. You can learn anything like the top performers using the 4-level system, but there is a problem. Knowing something isn't the same as doing it. Most people are stuck in the mundane trap. They have smart brains, but they're overwhelmed by boring, repetitive tasks that prevent them from achieving their full potential. Top performers don't just work hard, they build AI teams to automate the repetitive so they can focus on what brings them additional income and they can live a life of their own design. If you want to stop writing prompts and start building a team of AI specialists that work for you, watch this video where I show you how to build your own AI department.